love creep. So hot over, I couldn't speak. I met the group last night. He shook my hand in the end and said,
all right, guys, we are wrapped up here. Time to start hauling tractors out. Gonna haul, well, actually I already hauled the other 2 machines, 4 machine 3, I don't know how many I had out here. But I need to gather up all this. It's a lot easier to put that on the machine and haul it and then strap down all the buckets and stuff. Got extra weight for the scraper box. Let's fire up the Dodge and get down the driveway, because I'm not gonna, I don't wanna mess around up here too much more on the fresh gravel with the machine that's, I'm already chewing it up a little bit with the truck only. So let's go down to the bottom, switch everything over, and go down a little bit farther and load it up. Bushings in the truck are squeaking back there, driving me nuts. You guys want to see the view? It's a nice one. Oh, it's foggy in today. Oh no, it's not. It's not bad. Look at all this stuff the old man used to throw in here just to keep the erosion a little bit settled. I mean, he's got piers, shells, big old rocks, old concrete. Man, see this cattle guard. I don't really, look how slick it is. I don't even, probably shouldn't walk on it with cowboy boots on, but somebody did with cowboy boots at one point. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I-beams and some, man, it's a pretty thick wall pipe. What do you guess? Yeah, I'm gonna blow what you guess. Ooh, 5/16 maybe? Maybe quarter? Ugh. Oh well. The weight distribution solid. I towed across it with the whole load. I don't really want to do that down it. So let's get this all consolidated, and yeah, we gotta do some organizing. Cattle guard. Oh, just a friggin' sagger. This the truck feel like you got speed wobble going on. How much real estate they got out there? Not a lot. Okay, we need to turn the heater off. That'd be nice. If you don't do this just right, coming from down there at the barn, it'll ruin your day. That's Peter. He drug axle through that dish. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Relax. It's a scrambled egg mess of a tie down job, but over the top, pull that way, good. These are easy. At least you got tie down spots. Single bucket's not bad. Multiple buckets in a row, yeah, that don't fit inside each other at all. Yeah. Anyway, what's going on here? Made it over cattle guard number 2. We got 2 more to go. Look back there. Don't run it in the ditch. Oh, shit. Went a little bit in the mushy stuff. Yeah. Now, the road could use a little bit wider in some spots, but yeah, they get big rigs back here before, so whatever. Okay, we got no excuses. Got the propane truck. Perfect time. An option to back up. Right around that bend over here. Not a lot of options. We got to take her nice and wide for this hill bridge. I'm glad it's not an old oaky bridge. It's actually concrete and steel rather than, you know, metal framework and then boards. Now, not ideal, those ones. Better double check everything after bouncing down dirt road for a little bit. Good. Make sure something didn't just hopscotch and leave the scene. Looking good back here, good up here. Also double check your latch on the trailer since just rehooked it. That'd be a dumb mistake, but you never know. Not saying I haven't done it. Well, no, not gonna say anything. I haven't lost the trailer.
I wanted to address an area of concern, why I did not simply load the equipment up at the shop and tow it down the driveway. It seems simple enough, right? Anybody can do that. Well, the first day I hauled out of there, it was raining, so I didn't want to push my luck going down this rather steep driveway. It's blacktop, so it's not really the end of the world. But you see down there where the skid steer is parked, that is the cattle guard. And it is round stock. It seems strong enough, but when it's raining, round stock in a corner, very slippery. So I didn't want to press my luck because, yeah, it might save a couple minutes, probably 30, 40 minutes, to be honest with you, by the time I tracked everything down to where I loaded it up. But how much time would you waste and money would you waste if you had an incident trying to go across this thing? I do not care to experience that, so I simply took the smart route and took my time. Got the job done without any issue, because you see me tiptoeing across this cattle guard. With a round stock, it's slippery when wet. Also, it's cattle guard, so it's kind of like washboard. So every time you bounce on a little bit, you slowly lose traction on each one of them. And the trailer by itself weighs over 9,000 pounds empty. So I did have to crank the trailer brakes just a little bit for that. And it's not an issue of trusting my equipment. I fully trust it to do its job. But there's certain situations, why even press your luck? I'd rather keep my equipment intact, take a little bit extra time, get the job done correctly and without issues, plain and simple. I'd rather appreciate my equipment, and I don't want to see it get rounded over in a jackknife trying to go across a cattle guard in a corner on a steep driveway. And you look at that inside corner, there's plenty of trailers that drug through there. So I take my time, make it done right, and we got to appreciate that hydraulic dovetail to lock me in on this slight downhill. That thing's just sweet.
Another day, another dollar. New rig did great. It's just Cadillac riding in this rig. Yeah, we made it back all in one piece. Everything's still strapped and loaded. Got other obligations we got to handle today. It's closing in on Christmas. Give you a frame of reference when this video was filmed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like the button down below, hit the thumbs up, not the down one. And I'll put a little bit more effort into the subscription category, as in join the channel. I'm gonna have a little bit more behind the scenes content and stuff. So if you guys want to join the channel, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.